my dear viewers, once again welcome back to my channel DIY craft videos. In this video today I will show you 40 plus Christmas wreath ideas to add festive cheer to your front door. These easy wreath DIY will give your party guest an entrance to remember. So first of all, if you are a new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the daily latest updates. In this video, you will see almost 40 plus ideas, and all ideas are very different from each other. Come Christmas, your house is filled to the brim with magic and cheer. There are so many ways to deck the halls, along with the garland on your holiday mantle and the Christmas tree glistering in your living room. Show off your festive spirit to neighbors and dinner guests with one of these Christmas wreath ideas. While the thought of spending precious time attempting a DIY wreath may seem near impossible, these easy to make craft prove otherwise an added bonus. Many of these indoor and outdoor wreaths simply give new life to household items you already have stored away or scattered throughout your backyard. If you have always purchased fresh evergreen wreaths for the holidays, then listen up. Every wreath on this list will last you for decades to come, which means you will save money and time in the long run. That makes the best gift of all. We think so. Now that you have your front door, mantle and windows out of the way, take care of the other room in your house with these party-ready Christmas decoration ideas. During the holidays, no door should be empty. Whether you want to dye a festive wreath or buy a brand new one, these wreath ideas are held to help fill your house with holiday spirit. And there is a wreath for every style too, from a fun, poppy wreath made out of balloons to dark, moody junior barriers, farmhouse plates, coastal seashells, and everything in between. You are sure to find something you'll love to celebrate with. Some of them, looking at you, pom-pom wreath can even work as decor year-round, so you can keep the stylish festivities going well past Christmas. If you like my video, then press the like button, or if you want to ask me any question, or if you have any request, then you can comment me in comment section. I will reply on your comment and fulfill your request as soon as possible. So guys, don't go anywhere, stay with me and keep watching my videos. I will show you more ideas soon. So stay with me and please support me to grow my channel. I really need your help to grow my channel. So guys, keep supporting me and keep watching my videos. If you have any request or if you want to ask me any question, then you can comment me in comment section. I will reply on your comment and fulfill your request as soon as possible. Take care of yourself guys. I will be back soon with my new videos, with my new ideas. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz, and please do remember me in your prayers.